Hello friends, today hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to scan with your iPhone. You can scan any QR code, any document. Just I show you. Easy to scan. Just you just tap on your camera. All right. Then you can just QR code. All right. Camera auto detected scan QR code. All right. For example, this one. Just you can just tap. Chrome opening Chrome. All right. So also have the another option. You can just go to the controls, then you see here in the showing the QR code. If you don't see the QR code, then you should just enable from settings this option, then you can scan like this. Is that how to come here? So that's it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel if you like this video, and let me know which video you like. I mean you need the next video, and I'll try to make as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye.